It's Cara Day. So alam niyo na, every time na pupunta ako dito, I'm so excited.
Work is almost over, summer's getting closer.
Good afternoon mga Zoobs. It's 1:17 PM. Pagod. So we just finished gym big session. Happy Sunday. We're gonna go get some good food because we've been fasting and it's quite late. So that's why we don't feel so good now. So we didn't eat. Yeah, we didn't sleep either that much last night, and then we didn't really eat that much yesterday because we didn't really eat that much on the way home. Oh well, we did eat a little bit for dinner, but not like a huge amount. But anyway, we're gonna meet the kids in Ipi Town. So let's go.
Hey, nakaligo na ako mga Zoobs. Nagmadali kaming umuwi ni Andy para makaligo ako kasi it's Cara Day. So alam niyo na, every time na pupunta ako dito, I'm so excited kasi syempre naman pwede tayong magpa-facial kung may time. Pero ang pinaka pupunta ko kasi ngayon, since medyo 2 weeks akong hindi nakapagkara, tumubo na yung mga hair. Syempre kailangan sana consistent tayo at least every week, ano. May mga hair na sa armpit ko, sa legs ko, and then here and down there. So gusto ko talaga malinis, makinis. Kaya ngayon on the way na kami. Nakapagpa-schedule ako. Actually 3 beses ako nag-cancel. I feel so bad. Pero kasi every time na nagpapasked ako, nagkakaroon ako ng taping. So ngayon, Sunday, talagang I made sure na pagkatapos ko makapag-workout, makaligo para makapunta dito. Kasi after natin magpa-diode, hindi natin siya pwedeng basain. Yun yung catch doon. Kaya naman, I can't wait to be makinis again. And sa lahat ng mga nagtatanong dito kung ano yung diode, para siyang laser. So lalagyan ako ng malamig na parang anesthesia para maging manhid. Pero wala talaga ako nararamdaman eh. As in, painless. Tapos, ang tagal tutubo ng mga hair. Tapos nababawasan na siya. Kaya naman, I'm so happy with this treatment. So, it's called diode. So, laser din siya. Very, ako dito. Very happy ako dahil yung, especially sa Brazilian. Dati kasi waxing yung ginagawa natin. Medyo syempre masakit pa din yun kahit pa sabihin mo na sanay ka na. Tapos ito naman pala yung pwede mong gawin. So ito yung nire-replace ko sa waxing. Pero before tayo pumunta dito, I made sure na nakapag-shave. Kasi dapat freshly shave yung legs mo para pagdating mo dito, hindi na nila i-shave. Kumbaga less time na pagdating mo doon, laser na tayo agad. So yun, and then kapag may time, meron kasi ako ditong parang milia, papatanggal ko. Kasi ang tagal na nito eh. Yung dito ko natanggal. Yung dito talaga hindi pa. So kailangan natin siyang ipakara. So excited! Let's do this. Kasama ko si Andy. Driver. Yung mga bata nagliliwaliw. They're having the time of their lives. So, ayun. Ano kinain natin? Nag-fat seed kami mga Zoobs kanina. Sarap. So, from now on, kasi may pictorial ako for the next 4 days. Salad muna ako and quinoa. Yung mga healthy carbs muna ang gagawin ko para mas maganda yung itsura natin sa pictorial. I'm still doing 1 meal a day. So happy. Medyo mainit dito sa side ko. Hindi mo na rin ako magko-coffee kasi kanina ina-acid ako. Para akong feeling nasusuka na naman. Kaya wala na tayong kape. Starting tomorrow. Nagkape kasi ako ng umaga eh. Hindi yata half shot yung nalagay sa coffee ko na. Baka. need ano din. Kailangan ko din magpa-manicure sa susunod. Tsaka pedicure lang. Kainis.
In 300 meters, slide right towards Canley Road.
And then tomorrow, Monday, dami nating mga errands na gagawin. In preparation, syempre yan mga zooms para sa paglipat pa rin natin.
Slide right towards Canley Road and
Malalaman
turn
nyo
right
naman
onto
kung
Canley Road.
saan kami pupunta eh. Samahan nyo kami sa aming araw. Everyday,
Turn right onto Canley Road.
kahit na minsan wala na kami masyadong ginagawa. Kabisado nyo na yung routine namin. Sinasamahan nyo pa rin kami. We are all excited actually para
In
makalipat.
500 meters, turn right onto
Pero
Captain Henry P.
dadahan-dahanin kasi
Javier.
namin. Though wala naman kasi kaming mga gamit. Puro mga damit lang. Malinis na yung bahay. Nakapunta kami kaninang umaga. Pero meron sila kailangan ayusin like yung electrical kasi wala pang ilaw dun sa sala eh. Basta marami kaming plans. Kaya you better watch out sa aming mga gagawin. So malapit na kami sa ay, bito mga damit kuya.
Take the next right onto Captain Henry P. Javier.
Malapit na kami.
Just right and that's it. Furthest
Usually kasi traffic eh. Ayan na. Ito ang address ng Cara. Kumanan lang kami dito sa street ng
Captain Henry P. Javier.
Canley. Canley Street from C5. Tapos dito na. Oo ano? Captain Henry na. Sa ayan na yun.
So it's like back at 2
In
minutes.
200 meters,
I thought we
your
started to go
destination
like
will be on the left.
Oh my god. Yeah.
They didn't even look backwards. That's on the left now.
Ayun pa rin yung... Ayun pa rin ba yung video? Ayun.
Dapat na video that.
Mag-picture tayo mamaya dyan. Ayun na yung Cara, mga zooms. Nakikita niyo naman. Sa kabila pa, babe.
Confusing kasi.
Natatakpan.
Your destination is on the left.
It's Cara day today.
Why did I stay? I should be leaving. Hear what I say without even speaking. My compass is off. Why did I choose you? I'm just too lost. I need to cut loose. I keep it in my head. I keep it locked away. My friends think that this is over. Guess it's the price I paid. Played with the enemy. Now I got you on my shoulders. Let go and let me love.
Thank you so much for watching the vlog, guys. It was not a very busy day, but we got things done, and it was nice that the kids could stay with Mummy Eileen, so they had a bit of time together. And apparently all they did was draw and paint and do a bunch of things. And so Mummy Eileen, Mimi was eating so much non-stop, so when we got home she wasn't that hungry, but Mummy needed to get her stuff done at Cara, and at least she got it all done, so she is now hairless. She's happy with that, Shembranaman, so thank you to Cara. And it wasn't too traffic, which is good because it was weekend. But yeah, we have a big week ahead, and as you'll see in the coming days, we'll be moving into our new place, or newly renovated. So it's going to be a busy week ahead, and we hope you guys stick with us. The empty house tour should be during next week sometime, I hope. Once everything's settled, then we can get it done. But anyway, we'll see you tomorrow, guys.